Hello class, how are you children? Hope all are fine? Yes. Today we are going to learn one more new letter, that is I. Can you see here? This is the letter I. Okay, I says E. I says E. Okay, shall we start coloring children? Yes. See here, first you are going to color this. It's very easy to write I. Okay, like this. Like this, you are going to color this letter. Can you see children? Now the letter I says E is looking colorful, right? Children, you will move on to the page number 34. Here you can see the picture children. Can you see here? Yes? Yes. There is one tree. Okay. You will color this. This is a homework for you children. You are going to color this two pictures. Okay? Children, you can see few pictures related to the letter I says E. Okay. So let's see what is this first picture. What is this first picture? This is in. 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 In means inside. See, you can see. Okay, this person is inside the box. So, it is in. Okay, if you are playing inside your house, that is in. Okay, or if you are playing outside, that will be out. Or okay, that is in. Next one, it is igloo. What it is? Igloo. What is igloo? Igloo means it is a type of dome shaped shelter house, okay, which will be built by the blocks. Okay, you can see in the snow. Okay, these blocks, can you see? This is a igloo. It is in a dome shape. Can you see here? It is like a U shape, right? See here, like this. Okay, this is a igloo. Next one, ink pot. Ink pot means a pot which will have a ink inside that, which you are using to write. Okay, that is a ink pot. Next one, infant. Infant means it's a baby, a small baby. Baby is called as infant. Okay. Next one, insects. Insects means it's a small animal which will have 6 legs and the wings. Okay. There are many insects children like housefly, okay, honeybee. All these are the spiders. All these are the insects. Next one children, this is injection. When you take the injection, it will pain you, right? But it will cure the diseases. When you are very sick, sometimes the doctor will advise to take the injection. It is painful, but it will get relief. Very fast you can get relief. Okay. Next one is inchworm. What it is? Inchworm. Inchworm is nothing but a caterpillar children. Okay. It is a caterpillar. Okay. Which moves its body, which will be moving forward. Okay. Next one, instruments. Instruments, you can see here few musical instruments which you can get the music. That is instruments. So you have learned the letter I says E. Okay. Children, moving on to the writing part, you are going to write the letter I. I says he. It's very easy children. See here. One standing line. Okay. On the top, one sleeping line, and in the down part, one more sleeping line. This is I. See here. One standing line, On the top you will put a sleeping line. Here one sleeping line. This is I. Shall we trace? Yes, see here. One standing line and two sleeping lines like this. Okay, see here. One standing line and sleeping line. This is I. Is it easy? Yes. Very easy, right? Yes. See here, like this. You are going to write the letter I. Okay, next we see the cursive letter. How do you write, children? See here, from the down part, go up, come back with the same line, children. Can you see here? Come back like this. From the half, you will make one more tail. This is I, and you are going to put a small dot. Okay, see here. This is I. I says E. Okay, see. From here slant, go up, come down, and one more tail and a dot. This is I. This is I. I says E. See here, slant, go up, come down, and a tail. This is I says E. Okay. Next here, children, see here. Here I'll show you. You are going to use three lines. First draw one standing line, then on the top here one sleeping line, and here one more sleeping line. Understood? See here, from starting from the top red line to the third line, 1 2 3, then one sleeping line on the top and one sleeping line on the down part, standing line and a sleeping line, standing line and a sleeping line. Okay, here see, like this you are going to write. Okay, see here, like this you are going to write. Okay, here I am going to put just two dots. Okay, see here, like this. You are going to continue with this two dots. Okay, continue the full page. Next, again here you are going to write the letter I. Okay, like this. One standing line, one sleeping line, and one more sleeping line. This is I. Like this. Okay, I. Next, children, you are going to write the cursive letter. See here, in the cursive letter I, children, that is E, you are going to write with only these two lines. Okay, like this. Go up and come back and a small dot. See here, only with the two lines. Little bit slant, come back with the same line, and again here tail and a dot. Okay, see here, like this. This is E. Here, come back and a dot. Like this you are going to write. Okay, only with the two lines, children. Okay, when you write the cursive letter, it will be inside two lines. Next page, you are going to write the same thing. See here, like this. Okay. Yes. Children, here you are going to recall the letters what you have studied all these days. Till today you have learned the letter S says S, from S says S to I says E. Okay, you are going to write, children. See here. Yes. Like this. S says S. If you want, you can draw the lines. Otherwise, leave like this. One gap finger. See here, one finger gap. You are going to keep like this. Okay. Then you are going to write here N, like this. N says N. Then again one finger gap here. P says P. Next, again keep your finger. T says T. Then here A says A. Then keep your finger. B says B. You keep your finger. Next, M says M. Next, R says R. R says R. L says L. O says O. Then C says K. D says D. Children, you should keep one finger gap. H says H. H says H. Then F says F. Next, E says A. E says A. Then G says G. J says J. Then W. W says W. Y says Y. Then I says E. Okay? You have learnt all the 20 letters. Then how many letters are remaining, children? Hardly 6 letters. Okay. Thank you, children.